Enjoy Asians' favorite street food at home. This adobong paa ng manok or chicken feet adobo packs amazing texture and complex flavor. It is a delicious delicacy to enjoy on its own as an appetizer or main dish with steamed rice. Preparing the chicken feet. Using a kitchen scissor, trim the nails and discard. Check the soft pads of the feet and cut off any dark, calloused areas with a knife or scissor. Scrub and rinse well. The paws can be prepared ahead of time and will keep well in the freezer for up to 6 months. Store in an airtight container or resealable bag. In a wide pan over medium heat, heat oil, add the garlic, followed by the onions, and stir occasionally. Now you can add the ginger too. So after boiling the chicken feet for about 5 minutes, discarding and draining well, combine the chicken feet and stir occasionally. Add pineapple juice to give that sweet flavor. Add the soy sauce, sprinkle with black pepper, add the vinegar, add bay leaves, black beans, and red chili to give that spiciness.